So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to open a first home savings account or an FHSA here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the home icon. Once you're on the home page, scroll down a little bit to where it says open or move an account, select it, and then select open a new account. Once you're here, I want you just to go to where it says popular accounts and then where it says view all accounts, select that. Then I want you to scroll down a little bit here to where it says FHSA, a tax-friendly account to help you save for your first home. Select that. And then once you're on this page right here, you're on the first home savings account, so you can go ahead and read all the information about it. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, press on get started at the bottom to go to the next steps with opening up the account that way. So that is how to open up a first home savings account or an FHSA here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.